The Darling Home for Kids. The Darling Home for Kids, situated in Milton, is a nonprofit organization that opened their doors in 2004. It provides high-quality services for children who are medically complex, many of whom suffer from progressive illness. It is a home-like environment and allows children to engage in enriching experiences and activities. It's also a place where parents and caregivers feel confident to leave their children, knowing they'll be well cared for, while taking a well-deserved break since they are facing the daily challenges of caring for a child with exceptionalities. There are 4 types of services that the Darling Home for Kids provides. 1. Residential care. 2. Respite care. 3. Hospice palliative care. And 4. Therapeutic programs. Here is a chart of different therapeutic programs. So at the Darling Home for Kids, they offer a wide range of programs for the children so that they can have different experiences and make memories. Some of these therapeutic programs are music therapy, animal therapy, art therapy, hydrotherapy, outdoor time, and the therapeutic program, which also offers multisensory snoozling therapy. The Darling Home for Kids is an overall great place where children with medically complex needs are able to go for added support and are cared for medically. It's a place where kids can be kids, where they can play, make memories, and meet other kids and build friendships. The Darling Home strives to create an environment where each child can thrive, and the spaces they provide are designed to accommodate their unique needs. It's a place that is improving these children's lives and who call the Darling Home for Kids home. This place is truly making a difference.